Where do I need to look?
I don't know.
What you want?
No, I'll leave it.
Yeah.
I said guidance before or guidelines?
I come from a technical background, so I used to study computer science, and now I develop digital tools for the energy transition with a focus on energy poverty.
I'm a PhD candidate at the Erasmus School of Health Policy and Management.
My research is on the traditional techniques that are used in self-built houses in informal settlements in sub-Saharan Africa.
This training was really helpful in building a community and a network with other researchers from other backgrounds.
It was very hands-on as well as theoretical. It wasn't only about how you could make a survey, it was about all the potential ways in which you can engage with someone civically, from interviews to open science communication and so on.
There was a part of the training that really stood out for me, which was during a field work, we talked a lot about the positionality of researchers, and that is extremely important when you're dealing with people.
So I can see a positive impact of this training on my research through this project I'm developing right now, where I'll be collaborating with caregivers in Spain in order to better understand how their role as caregivers is impacting opportunities in the labor market and what kind of tensions they experience because of this. And this is because of my participation in this training.
To be honest, I think this training would be good for everyone. I feel like nowadays researchers deal with very multifaceted problems that include citizens in one way or the other. So it's very valuable to know how to conduct civic engagement properly. But on the other side, I think it's both for experienced researchers that have done civic engagement before, but also people who are just getting into it now.
Luckily, they have found a training. Our civic engagement training supports you taking your first steps towards working responsibly with society. It offers practical guidance for building different types of collaborations and the space to reflect on what that means for your own research journey. Just as importantly, it connects you with a community of peers who are asking the same questions and exploring similar challenges. We hope to see you next year at the Civic Engagement in Action training.